string operators, concatenation and concatenation assignment. Okay, so you want to assign the values, we are using the equal to operator, right? So here also you can use plus symbol then equal. Okay, so you want to assign any value to your strings. Okay, you want to attach, you can use either plus operator or plus an assignment, so concatenation plus assignment. Okay, so now I'm writing the example, just observe. Okay, so now you taken the one console or document or write. Okay, so anything, or you declare the one string type of variable where 1 is equal to first string I am taking. Okay, inside of this string I am taking as a first string. Okay, and the second one I am taking the one more variable to second string. Okay, so you want to attach these two strings in a third variable where 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, so you want to attach the multiple variables or any text also within a double quotes, whatever the text you want, you can assign that text also. Okay, so for example you want to add the text, add your text here. After adding text you want to add one more variable value, again you are adding that. Okay, like that in number of you can add. This one we call as a string concatenation. If you want to make it as a string concatenation, we can use a plus symbol. Okay, so next one, concatenation plus assignment. Okay, so for example you are taking the any one string, that string you want to add the more values. Okay, for example this two value you want to assign to the one variable. Okay, whatever the two value you have, that one you want to assign to this one variable. Just you can write 1 plus is equal to, okay, 1 plus is equal to 2. Okay, so it converts what is the one values there, 1 is equal to 1 plus 2, internally it happens. Okay, so in output what is the one value, first string. What is the two value, second string, right? You can get the output and first string and second string. Okay, this is the output for your variable. You want to assignment operators is already done, equal to.
Yes, sir, already done yesterday.
Okay, right, so like that here also we are attaching. Internally it converts and 1 is equal to 1 plus 2, first string and second string it is attaching. Okay, so this is mainly we are, whenever you want to attach the strings in one variable, this will be useful. Okay, okay, this string concatenation plus assignment is very important. Whenever you are taking the any arrays you want to convert in a list format, either order list or unordered list. Okay, you need this string concatenation. Okay, so you want to attach the strings in one variable. Okay, so you can use, for example you want to attach the three value also, like 1 plus is equal to 3. Okay, so again it converts internally 1 plus 3. 1 is equal to 1 plus 3. Okay, so it adding, concatenating and assigning the value. Okay, that's why concatenation with assigning. The operator name is in concatenate assignment. We are using the plus and equal to symbol. Clear? Now I'm writing the one small example. You can get the clarity. Okay, so inside of my program, I'm taking only doc type and HTML and body. Okay, so I'm not using the head tags and title and all those things. So you can write that one. Okay, doc type. First save your program. String operators. .html. Okay, save as type on all files. Doc type, then HTML, inside the body, okay, so inside the body you can take one script tag. So if you want to write the script tags, JavaScript code, you need a script tag. Let's take that script tag. Script type is equal to text or JavaScript. Close. Okay, so inside of this, whatever the script tag is, instead of the script tag, I'm writing the 3 variables, where 1 is equal to I am first string. Okay, next, where 2 is equal to I am second string. Okay, next, where 3 is equal to third string I am taking. Okay, so you want to attach. Okay, you need to make it as a string concatenation. Either you can use the document.write, or otherwise you can use the console, or you can use an alert boxes also. Okay, so as of now I am using a document.write. Document.write. Okay, so here you want to add that values. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so inside of for variable you want to give any HTML related tags. Okay, inside of your document.write, you want to give the any HTML elements, write down within double quotes. Okay, so I want a next line. By using a break we can get the next line, right? In our HTML, break tag, whenever you're using, it comes a next line, right? So whatever the next document that you are using, that one it comes in next line. Document dot write, okay, document dot write. Now you are trying to add, you need to add that 4, whatever the 3 elements are, the 3 elements you want to assign to one variable. Okay, So 1 plus is equal to 2. Okay, so it adds the I am first string and second string one value. Again I am adding 1 plus is equal to 3. Okay, so whenever in this place the one value I am first string, I am second string. Okay, so in the first case here we are getting I am first string and second string. Okay, so here I am first string, I am second string, and I am third string. The third string also it is adding. Like that, you want to add and assignments, concatenate plus assigning to that particular variable, you can use a concatenation and assignment. Okay, save your program and run it once. Okay, so the first one I am first string and second string, and next I am saving the program. Okay, so instead of this document dot write, I am just writing the one variable. Okay, save, replace. Okay, now you are getting the same runtime, right? So you can make it is a assigning the values concatenation plus assignment, and only you want to make it is an only concatenation, and only assignment is also done. This one clear? సో మీరు ఇక్కడ 3 ఆపరేషన్స్ అసైనింగ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కాన్కాటినేషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే కాన్కాటినేషన్ ప్లస్ అసైన్మెంట్ రెండు కూడా ఒకేసారి చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో క్లియర్ కదా, అర్థమైందా మీకు? ఎనీ డౌట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్? హలో,
నో సార్.
రైట్, కొంచెం రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాను, ఎందుకంటే మీ ముఖాలు నేను చూడట్లేదు కాబట్టి నాకు మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా అని తెలీదు, మీరు చెప్పేదాన్ని బట్టి నాకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఓకే,
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
నెక్స్ట్